Hey bro,
Hey,
so what are you doing?
bro, working on thesis project.
That's great. Bro, need your help. I have doubt in SketchUp.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, I inspired from the World Trade Park ramp and I want to create 3D of its curve ramp.
Okay, so how can I help you?
I drafted the plan of this ramp, but you know, I am not that good in SketchUp, so I am not able to develop the 3D, bro.
Okay, no problem. Show me.
See, I have sent you the file.
So this is your plan. Or can you tell me what is the height and the ratio of this ramp?
Bro, 3-meter height and on the ratio of 1:10.
Okay, let me show you how you can create a ramp in SketchUp. Okay, so let's start creating this ramp. First, import this file into the SketchUp. Here I opened the SketchUp. Let's import that CAD file. Here it's come. So this is the plan of ramp. What we need is the height. So we know that the top height is this and it is 3 meter. Okay. Now what we need is, this is the another arc. There are total 2 arcs. Okay. First one is this one and the another is this. So, and this is the height and this. So what we will do is, we will make the another height from the midpoint of both the arcs, that is 1.5. It is half of the height from the top. Okay, so this one is 3, so this is the 1.5. Fine. Now what we will do is, we will create another line that is the mid of this arc and that will be 0.75. Okay, and we need the another midpoint, that is this is the midpoint. This one is 0.75 plus 0.15, that is 2.25. Okay, now what we will do is, we will create an arc from this line to the middle of this point. Okay, and one more arc, that is from this point to 3, and the another third point is on the mid. So we got the line in the curve till the 3 meters. Okay, and now what we will do is, now we need is these both the arc to be moved to that point. Okay, for doing that we will start the move button. Now press the control key and move to this corner point, and now create the line from the top by joining these both the lines. Now what we need is, we need to create this surface. For doing that we need the plugin. The name of that plugin is Curviloft. For using that plugin, this is the plugin, and for using that, what we will need is, we need to select all the 4 sides. What all I needed is, let me take this out from there. The name of this plugin is Curviloft and we will use that third button of this plugin. I will give the link in the description. Now select this one and you will see I got the surface. Now for doing this, just press the tick and you got the surface. This is cool and smooth, you can see here. Okay, right? Now what we will do is, we need the thickness of this surface, right? For doing that we will use the another plugin. The name of that plugin is Joint Push and Pull, right? For doing that, what we will do is, we will use the normal joint push and pull. Simply just take your cursor on this surface and here pull it down and just give the marking how much down you needed. So here I need 0.3 meters, so I will just drag it down and mark it 0.3, and here I go, press space and it's done. We got the surface in the curve which have the thickness. Now what we will need is, we will need the another side of the ramp, right? And it is in the group, that's a good thing. Now for moving this, move it from the corner point to the another corner point, and now press the scale key from the S, and from the mid move it to the next side and press -1. You will get the mirror of this ramp. Now again get the corner point and put it on the corner. Now what we will need is, we need this surface on the top. Okay, for doing that, what we will do is, we need the surface of this area. Okay, so select this and I will make the surface of this from the surface for you, and I got it. Now I will select this one and move it upward, and what I will do is, I will just move it, and here you go. So here we get the curve ramp. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will give the link in the description of both the plugins, that is Curvyloft and the Joint Push Pull tool, so you can download it from that link. And if you like this video and you like the content of our form follows function, then don't forget to subscribe us and like the video guys, and also let's connect on the Instagram. Thanks for watching.